Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are painting a side table inspired by the amazing artist Lauren Chapman. I'm gonna leave a link to her Facebook page in the description of this video, so make sure to head over and check her out. We're painting it with UNiCORN SPiT, and it's gonna look amazing. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's paint a table.